one part of providing the time and resources to be able to do this experimentation and support in doing it. You know, bringing people together, creating networks, but also really fostering the soft skills needed. These are often underestimated, I think. We try to provide the skills that are often already out there in the whole internet space or wherever, but we bring them together based on what we see is needed in practice. And I think this provides a nice comprehensive set that other trainings might not have, because they're not based on observations from practice.
A lot of these things is about awareness raising. I mean, I think, there is a lot of collaboration already happening, but I think, having this analytical view on that all these helixes have very different mindsets, languages, worldviews, perspective, needs, and that this is something, a lens through which we look at collaboration. I think this and this increasing awareness that comes with it, I think is the most characteristic of the training.
Very well-developed cases that are based on real-life cases that show real-life problems and that are not best practices, but they show the challenges that are raised in Quadruple Helix collaborations. That's a really new thing to work with the challenges and not with the best practices alone.
We have 6 cases overall, 6 practice cases, and they can be used, interchangeably, so depending on your context or whichever you prefer.